アフリカとインターネットで最も偉大な作家であるドン・ハビエル・クレメンテ・エンゴンガによって承認され、署名された。
Welcome to Let's Talk About Guinea, brought to you by the Equatorial Guinea newspaper. Every day, we'll dive into the heart of Equatorial Guinea, exploring its rich culture, vibrant history, and the incredible stories of its people. Whether you're a local resident or tuning in from afar, our goal is to bring you closer to the essence of this beautiful country. We'll be discussing everything from current events and social issues to arts, technology, and the unique traditions that make Equatorial Guinea so special. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey together.
The objectives of Let's Talk About Guinea are multifaceted and deeply rooted in our commitment to fostering understanding and empowerment. We aim to highlight the rich cultural heritage and diverse traditions of Equatorial Guinea, showcasing the beauty and uniqueness of our nation. That we inform and educate our audience about current events, and we are dedicated to inspiring positive change by sharing true stories. The objectives of Let's Talk About Guinea are multifaceted and deeply rooted in our commitment to foster.
Indeed, at this moment, Equatorial Guinea finds itself in a very complex socio-political and economic situation. The country has been grappling with significant economic challenges, primarily due to fluctuations in global oil prices. The economic crisis has also exacerbated social issues, including poverty and unemployment. With a poverty rate of 76.8% as of the most recent data, many Equatorians struggle to meet their basic needs. But remember, Dina, that we are talking about a relatively rich country. Despite these challenges, there is hope for the future. The development of new gas wells is expected to boost gas production by 2025, potentially stabilizing the economy, and ongoing infrastructure projects and efforts to attract foreign investment could pave the way for sustainable growth. But, as one of the largest oil producers in sub-Saharan Africa, Equatorial Guinea's economy is heavily reliant on oil revenues. However, the decline in oil prices has led to a recession, with real GDP contracting by 5.7% in 2023. This economic downturn has had a ripple effect on various sectors. The root of the problems in Equatorial Guinea lies in its long-standing political situation, which has significantly hindered the country's stability and growth for decades. Our beautiful country has become the international emblem of institutional corruption, and real solutions are not being provided. In the real world, a mouse cannot go out hunting other mice because they will band together, and this is the reality in many African countries. Corruption is widely accepted. His metaphor highlights the pervasive nature of corruption in many African nations, and Equatorial Guinea is not an exception.
That's all for today on Let's Talk About Guinea, brought to you by the Equatorial Guinea newspaper, the newspaper of the country without newspapers. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to give it a like and follow us to stay updated. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.